Let me show you how I made my Elementor website super fast in just 2 easy steps. You can see here on the left side, this is the before scores. My website was scoring 53 for mobile devices, and for desktop it was scoring 91. After these 2 steps, what I'm going to explain you in this video, now I'm scoring 94 for mobile devices and 94 for desktop devices. To let you know, this is not a simple website, this is a complex website. I'm using WooCommerce on this website. Lot of images on the website. Somewhere I put also videos and also blogs exist on this website. And in my case, for this complex website, if I can get 94, you can also get similar scores for your Elementor website. And guys, my previous video got more than 1 million views, so I'm expert in this field. So don't worry, we're gonna make your Elementor website also super fast today. Before I tell you the first step, please take your website backup. You can use a plugin like Updraft plus Backup Restore plugin. Click on backup and take the backup of your website. It's really important. If you want to know how to do that, you will find a video linked in description. Second thing I want you to do is click on updates here, guys. It's really important before optimizing your website that your website plugins are all updated. You can see on the website I have 9 plugins which are not updated. So I recommend everybody that please update the plugin after taking the backup of your website. Okay, this is the base of the website. Now we are ready to optimize our website. So step 1 would be to optimize Elementor settings. I'm sure a lot of guys don't know there's settings in Elementor which makes your website really fast. Log into WordPress panel and then from Elementor click here on settings. So in setting by default you come to general, but here we need to click on advanced here. From advanced here, what you need to do is, so from here Google fonts load, from here default change it to swap. It's really important to change the font to swap. That will really improve your website PageSpeed score, and then click on save changes. After this, click on performance here, and then here you can see there's some by default option exists in Elementor page builder to make your website faster. You can see this option optimize image loading, fetch priority is equal to high on LCP image, and loading is equal to lazy on image below the fold. For most of the people, they have issue with the LCP. If I show you the page speed score, you can see here fetch priority is equal to high should be applied, but it is not applied. But if we use this option, fetch priority is equal to high will be applied, and also lazy loading will apply to non-LCP images which comes after the first load. Lazy load background image, keep it enabled. Load Google fonts locally, make it enable. It's really important. When the font load locally from your site, they load really fast, and then click on save changes. And after this, click here on Element Manager. As we all know, Elementor is a really nice plugin, but it comes with a lot of features. Sometimes we don't need all these features. You can see there's so many features on the website. Sometimes they are by default enabled. If you want to know which feature you're using, which feature you're not using, you can just click here on scan element usage, and Elementor page builder will tell you which plugins you're using. So you can see I'm using all these plugins, so just click here on deactivate unused elements. So what it will do, it will deactivate all the elements which I'm not using, and click on save changes here, and then click on save. And that's it. We already improved our website speed. Now we go to step 2. Step 2 to optimize your Elementor website would be to use a optimization plugin. On WordPress, we have so many free plugins available which are used to optimize website speed. But the problem with these plugins are they don't have any support, and a lot of time they might break your website. I have created so many videos on the plugins like Lightspeed Cache, Fastest Cache, W3 Total Cache, and all these plugins, but they don't come with a support. So today for this video, because not everybody want to spend so much time in optimizing the website, maybe they want to spend their time into the marketing, into development, into other important things of their business, or if it is a blog website, they want to focus on the content. So today for this video, I'm going to use WP Rocket plugin, which is used by more than 5 million plus website. You can see here, and it is a premium plugin, but they have currently massive Black Friday sale going on. And if you click on this link which is available in description of this video you're watching right now, you will come to a special page with the Black Friday sale going on, and you can see you can get this plugin only for $35. Even if the Black Friday sale is not going on, you're watching this video after Black Friday sale, you can always use the code. You can copy this code and you can use this code to get 10% off on the current price of the WP Rocket plugin. This is my affiliate link, and this is how we get this channel running. And if you want to support the channel, you can use this link. It's totally up to you. So once you click here, you will come to this page and then just click on buy WP Rocket. So you will come to this page, and by default you will see 40% promotion is applied here. Enter your email address, your name, your last name, and then just you can buy this plugin only for $35. And if you're watching after Black Friday, you can always copy this code to get 10% off. Okay, once you buy this plugin, you will see this panel, and from here you can click on download WP Rocket, and you can download this plugin here. So now what you need to do here is log into your WordPress dashboard, and then I'm going to show you this process new website because I already have this plugin installed on my main website. So log into WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and then click on add plugin, and then click here on upload. and then browse, and we're going to select the file we just downloaded. So I'm going to select this file, click on open, and then click on install now. And then click on activate plugin. You can see this is a test website scoring 65 before I install the plugin. So after activating the plugin, we will go to settings and then you'll find the option WP Rocket. And then guys, from here, the three very important things we need to focus. First is page cache, second is media optimization, third is JS and CSS optimization. And this is one of the reasons why I am recommending this plugin, because first option, page cache, you don't need to do anything here. WP Rocket already take care of page caching, so we do not have any option here in the left side. So some people might be confused that where is the option for page cache, because they remove this option because this is already taken care by WP Rocket plugin. You don't need to do anything here. So now we'll go to optimizing CSS and JS here. From here, click on Minify CSS file and optimize CSS delivery. So we're going to use this option, remove unused CSS. This is warning here that this could break things. We'll talk about that later. Don't worry about that. So click on activate, remove unused CSS. And now click on Minify JavaScript files, load script deferred, and then click on save changes. Okay, next thing what we need to do is click on media here. In media, click here, enable for images, enable for CS background images, enable for iframe and videos. And then replace YouTube iframe with preview image if you are using YouTube videos on your website. Then make sure add missing images checked, preload font is checked, self-hosted Google font checked. We already checked this option in Elementor setting also, but yes, because WP Rocket is a special plugin just for website speed, so this option works really well here. And because we also use page caching, so it's really important to use this option on this page. And then I click on save changes. So I'll click on analyze again. You can see I'm already scoring 88 for my website here. You can, these were the previous scores. Let me show you. Let me go back to the page, 66, 65. Now it's scoring 88 with just few settings. This is why I recommend this plugin. This is a premium plugin. You might need to pay some money, but yes, it will save you a lot of time and it will make your website really fast. And guys, let me tell you, if you're getting anywhere more than 85, 90 scores, that's totally fine. You don't need to chase 100 out of 100 score. 100 out of 100 score don't exist. Even you can see this my website, really complicated website. Here I'm getting 94 scores with WooCommerce because there's some scripts which are really important to load. For example, if I'm loading some script from third party like Google Analytics, Webmaster Tool, these scripts should be loaded on your website, and until they load, you cannot have 100 out of 100. Of course, if your website is really simple, you can have 100 out of 100, but the point when you start adding third party script, you cannot achieve practically 100 out of 100. If you can achieve it, that's really nice thing. That also means you're not using a lot of things on your website. So now here you can see 88. If I just put on analyze, the score will improve. Because it might take some time to build the cache completely by WP Rocket plugin. So please be patient. If you don't see immediate effect, please be patient, wait for a few hours. Here you can see I'm scoring 99 for mobile and 99 out of 100 also for desktop devices. But the more practical approach would be if you're scoring anywhere. You can see here I'm scoring 87 and sometimes scoring 94 on this my main website. So if getting anywhere 85, 90, that's really good scores. Now you need to check your website if your website breaking or not, because it might happen sometime that your website might break because we are using a lot of JavaScript and CSS optimization on our website. So just check your website and see if it's loading fine or not. If it's loading fine, you can leave this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can also use the affiliate link I've given in the description to get discount 40% off. In case your website is breaking, let me show you what you need to do. So go back to WP Rocket here. Most of the time it will be broken because CSS or JavaScript files. So what I'm going to suggest you, just uncheck this option and then save changes. Now refresh your website and see if it is loading properly or not. If it is loading properly, it means this option was the culprit and do not enable this option. Otherwise, you can keep this option back again and then you can go to JavaScript and then from here, click uncheck this option and then save changes. Same thing again, check your website, refresh it, if it is loading fine or not. If it is loading fine, that means this option was breaking your website, so you can keep this option unchecked. If your website is still breaking, it means this option was not breaking your website. So what you can do, you can disable both these options and then click on save changes. At this point, your website should be loading fine. And if you still face any issue, comment down below the video. I reply to all the comments on my channel. I had a lot of people who have issues with the website speed, and I'm really happy to help you out also. Before I finish the video, I want to tell you there are a few more important options here. For example, database optimization. So you can just click here on revision, auto draft, and trash post. You might see big number on your website here. These are revision created when you create your website. There are revision of your pages which contains the history, what changes you have made on your website. So if you want, you can always check all these options and then you can click on save changes, optimize. But guys, really important, you take backup of your website before. Like I told you in starting of this video, you can use Updraft plus backup plugin to take backup of your website and then click on save changes. And a lot of other options are already taken care by WRocket plugin for your website. One last thing I want to show is image optimization. So this is the image optimization plugin, which is called Imagify. It is also plugin by WRocket team. You can click on this plugin and then you can optimize your images. You can also convert them to WebP and also decrease the size without losing the quality of images. If you want to watch a detailed video about Imagify, you can check link in description. Hope your website is fast now. You can click on this link and you can buy WRocket at 40% off. Even if you're watching after Black Friday, you can always use this code to get 10% extra off. And now since you optimize your website for speed, if you want to know how to optimize your website for SEO, you can check this video on your screen.